Mm. Hey, Master. Oh, hi, Sharky. What do you need? What are predators of birds? Oh, great question. Maybe like Goliath bird eaters. Wait. What is a Goliath bird eater? Oh, great question, Sharky. Be there in a sec. Goliath bird eaters are the biggest spiders that ever were to exist. They are still alive right now. Goliath bird eaters are pretty big, and if it's defending itself from predators, it could rub its hairy legs against its abdomen, shooting stiff, tiny hairs. The hairs sting. A Goliath bird eater is actually not deadly to humans, but its bite can be very painful. It has larger diameter than its fangs. It sometimes eats birds, but that's very rare. A Goliath usually eats small insects on the ground. Even more amazing stuff than just eating birds. It could eat frogs, some snakes, amphibians, and it could even eat mice, but not humans. This is how big it is. Isn't that cool, Sharky? Oh, wow. That is sure a big spider. What are its weapons? Great idea, sir. Good. Okay. Remember I told you the stiff hairs, but it could also rub its hairy legs together to make this hissing sound. Shh. Sounds like a snake, right? So it defends itself from snakes hunting it. So it sounds like a bigger snake that's going to eat them. So they think they're scared, but it's not. It's just a baby little Goliath. They have 8 eyes, but see poorly. So they touch their most important sense. Pretty cool, right? Now, Goliath's final weapons are its giant mouth fangs. It could be in attack mode, jump at you and bite you. This is when it's in attack mode. Cool, right, Sharky? Sure. How big is a Goliath for real? Great question, Sharky. A Goliath bird eater is about 1 foot long, apparently about 1/4 of me. 1/4 is a half of a half. And 4/4 are equal to 1 full. See? Pretty cool. Spiders actually don't get bigger than a Goliath. That's the biggest spider. It got its name Goliath because it's like a giant spider. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Look at how big it is. A Goliath, once there was a video of a guy holding a Goliath tarantula, but the first thing it did was this, to try and escape, because it gets so scared of humans. But then, it just wiggled like this, whoa, and fell into his hands. And tumbled into his hands. Here's what the real scene was like. Like that. Thank you guys for watching. Now I gotta go check on Sharky again. What do you think, Sharky, of this new great spider? Wow, I love him. I'm gonna keep him as my new pet. What What do you say to our friend Sharky? Oh, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like. And what are you waiting for? Ring that notifications bell right now. Or else my baby teeth would fall out. Just kidding. Thank you guys for watching. I love my new pet. Bye. Bye guys. For real. Bye.